What's up, guys? Come with me to take my first travel assignment. To test drive our dream car.
Didn't know what you wanted, but you don't even trust yourself. We were so high up in love, but not enough to bring us back from where we fell. I feel paralyzed looking.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another day in the life of a nurse. I'm going to be bringing you along on my first travel assignment. We want to move out of state, and the quickest way to get a bunch of money was for me to go into travel nursing. I still have my job at the prison, so I'll go there once in a while. Way to test drive our dream car. Well, my dream car. What is it? Jeep. I'm so excited. And he's driving me because, as you know, I'm always a passenger princess.
Yep, she is.
This is my favorite feature because this is for my short people. Y'all, I'm 4'10", so I'm obviously very tiny. Look, the steering wheel can go out for my long husband, who can push the seat all the way back, where I can't do that. I have to be all the way up close, so all I gotta do is push this down, push that, and it can go up or down, and my seat can still be all the way up, and I can drive comfy. The travel contract is still in Ohio, but I'm on the totally opposite end of where my family is. So I'm going to be staying at a hotel, and they'll be coming up once in a while. I've always wanted a Wrangler, so this was like the best time for us to get one, because our plan is to either move to Florida or Georgia, and with a Wrangler I could have my doors off, top down, and go. So when you have kids, you want to be closer to family, and where we live now, there's not much family around, which is the attraction for us for why we want to move. And for those thinking, oh, you have kids, you shouldn't leave them, you shouldn't go into traveling, my husband is an amazing father. And I wouldn't be who I am today. My kids wouldn't be who they are today if it wasn't for such a strong role model. He is very supportive in this, and I am so thankful for him for that. The goal for traveling is so we can build together and better our life for our family. I think in this society, it's interesting that people still have double standards. Oh, you're a woman, you should stay home. He's a man, he should go get all the money. Why does it seem like we have to be ashamed that our kids can have strong male role models instead of just embracing it and be like, yeah, he did that? Why can't women be glad that they can make a lot of money and be supported by their husband? What is wrong with trying to switch stereotypical roles? Here's the thing, if I was in the military, nobody would question it. And women can be just as masculine as a male, and men can be just as motherly as a female. There are a lot of single fathers out here, and I don't think we give them enough credit. So for somebody to be able to embrace their family and strengthen their relationship, as well as just being a big support to one another. And I think that's why I'm so blessed to have the husband that I have. I also couldn't secure a closer contract because I live where most of the major hospitals are. So the only other option was to drive further away. And to be able to get the tax-free stipend, I have to be 50 miles away. And there's no hospitals that are that close, other than the one that are in my area. And then there wouldn't be a point of traveling because you wouldn't get the tax-free living stipend. So as you see, I bought my baby, and now I'm just decking her out.
Starlight, wide awake but I don't make a sound. Lose track, think back, far away from where I am now. Cause I'm stuck in California while my head's in Arizona. I just convinced myself I'm alright.
What's up, guys? Come with me to take my first travel assignment. Car is packed.
But I've never been so sure, I've never felt this before. Yeah, I've never felt this homesick, and I'm trying not to show it. But I've never felt this homesick, I can't take anymore. Yeah, I've never felt this homesick, homesick, homesick. I've never felt this homesick, I can't take anymore. Yeah, I've never felt this homesick, homesick, homesick.
I don't know what it is, but anytime I take a car ride more than 30 minutes, I feel like I'm just going to starve to death. So I stopped at Panera, got some food before I headed out on the
Turn
road.
the radio on. MJ memory to when my dad first played me this song. Now I'm stuck in California, but my head's in.
I don't know how to explain it, but being in a room where there's no stimulation, no chaos, is actually a very weird feeling. Because I'm a mom, and your kids run around, they always want something, your husband comes to ask you questions or just lays with you. So being alone is a stranger to me.
But I've never felt this so sick, I can't take anymore. Yeah, I've never felt this so sick, oh sick, oh sick. I've never felt this so sick, I can't take.
I'm not a morning person. I've been working night shift for the past 5 years, and it's really hard for your body to adjust to go back to day shift when you've been working night so long. I'm gonna eat my breakfast in the car because, like I said, I haven't been sleeping well because I'm so used to be working nights. So my body is gonna take a long time to adjust. And by that time, my contract will be done.
Don't care, gonna take flight. Long gone, move on to the twilight. Drive down hometown, gonna shine bright. And I'm not gonna sleep till it's inside. Break free, can't see in the street lights. Sad scenes, bad dreams in the dead of night. Looking back and something doesn't seem right. And I just can't believe that time flies. Go there, don't care, gonna take flight. Long gone, move on to the twilight. Drive down hometown, gonna shine bright. I'm not gonna see.
On the primary dimension. These are components of diversity that are nearly impossible to change. In this dimension, there are things like national origin, ethnicity.
I feel like day one everywhere is the most dreading moment. You have to do all the competency. It's the time that you dread, because if you work in healthcare, it's the same learnings that you do each and every time.
I can't take it. I can't take it. I can't take it.
I just thought a crock pot made so much sense because I don't have an oven here. So I was really limited on how I would be cooking proteins. I'm not sure if this is what the hangers are for, but hey, it worked. I was very intrigued when I saw this. I like mango and I like Pepsi. Let's give it a try. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. That is the last. Lock it. Always lock behind you. So that is the last of the groceries. That went to Walmart. So now I'm gonna clean out my empty fridge. Yes, I know it looks pathetic, but we're gonna end up filling it. And then
Can't take anymore. I just can't take anymore. I just can't take anymore. I can feel my face even when I'm sober and clean. Pushing it away 'cause I don't need that.
can we just take time and appreciate what I just cooked in my little kitchenette in my hotel? I sauteed some broccoli with some garlic. I made some rice, and then I put some salmon on the stove. Isn't that pretty? All in my little kitchen.
Not another explanation that you heard from your friends. I spent most of my life trying to chase the trends like a dream. But someday I'ma be big enough to do the things I want, and no one can tell me any different. I'll be up so high, loving every minute of life, living my life. Someday I'ma be big enough to do the things I want, and no one can tell me.
This used to be the death of me during nursing school, and it just blows my mind because when you're in nursing school, you're always questioning yourself, like, I don't think I'm understanding it, I'm not getting it. And then once you're a nurse, it's just like, boom, everything just clicks. And you start feeling way more confident in your ability to treat people.
I'ma do the something, I'ma do the living my life. Running round in circles, rolling rock step hills. Light at the end of the tunnel, I can see it still. But
Hopefully you guys are enjoying this vlog so far. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you guys ever have any questions, definitely feel free to leave a comment down below or on my other forms of social media, which are linked below, and I always answer them. Because I love the interactions with you guys. I like knowing my followers and who they are and their journeys, especially if you're in nursing school or you're a nurse. I always want to know that stuff. We still try to keep normalcy. I FaceTime my husband every day with the kids. Also, when I'm eating, I FaceTime them as well, so it's like we're still having dinner together.
Flashback to the day that you ran away. You said to see your family, but I ran into you yesterday, and you never saw it coming, baby. I knew you knew what I thought. Did you leave or not? You said that you meant to, but you forgot, and I never saw it coming. Should have been so easy, but I'm feeling incomplete thinking about you. Yeah, and I would just let you be, but I consistently think about you. Think about you. I know you're keeping secrets, hoping that I won't see this, but for whatever reason, I think I like it. Feels like there's something missing, at least it's something different, and I can't help this feeling. I think I like it. I think I like it. I think I like it. You're a mystery, history to you, but girl is new to me. I wish that I could see it happen naturally, but I never saw it coming, baby. I never guessed that we could get this far. Well, honestly, I really don't know where we are, and would it be less fun if it was less bizarre? Cause we never saw it coming. Should have been so easy.
So this is just egg whites. I don't know. Yolk just gives me the heebie-jeebies. So I just buy the egg whites and I'm having that with smoked salmon with garlic green beans. And that's a typical breakfast for me. I'm not really big into breakfast food.
Do you think about it too? I know you're keeping secrets, hoping that I won't
So my family's coming up for the weekend, so I bought my kids some little fun things for them to do while they're at the hotel, just so they're staying occupied, having some fun, and not just sitting there watching TV all day. It's actually raining, so there's not much to do outside. Look at this cup I found at TJ Maxx. Of course, I had to get it because it had my name on it. I thought this was really cute too. I'm a big tea drinker, and I just thought it was so cute, and it looked like a book, so I was like, of course I had to get it. Yeah, typically I don't post my children because people are always so critical, and somebody always has something to say about something. About your parenting, about their clothes, about their hair, about something. No one can just be happy. And they're not your kids, so what do you care what they're doing? But they're just so sweet. Look at them. I personally have not experienced any negativity on social media about my children, but you know, prevention is better than cure.
But it's alright. Even bright lights got a dark side. Even good love feels like drugs. Even good times get you high. Little bit lost, but it's alright. Even bright lights got a dark side.
Yeah, I don't know what she thought she was reaching at, but she was like, whoa, this is not it. Get this off my hand. She is one that does not like getting dirty. And if she could, she would shower 4 times a day and brush her teeth 10 million times a day. Oh, and also, since I haven't been home, my husband has been doing her hair, and I think he did pretty good. Look at that. That's pretty good. When I see them, I do her hair, but, you know, he does what he can, and he's learning every single day. When she's older, she's going to look back and be like, my daddy used to do my hair too. And I think those are the things that make such a big impact on our kids and make them who they are today. Hope you guys enjoyed that vlog. If you have not done so already, make sure you subscribe, and can't wait to see you on my next shift.